Hello, my dear. The situation here in Gaza is so bad. I can't describe it. We've been through difficult times during the war, but not like this one. We literally starving. We haven't eaten for days. Even when we manage to get something, it's just a small amount that doesn't satisfy us, and it's very everything. If you just find something to eat, it's very expensive. We can't afford it. So even the simplest things like flour, we can't find it. I can't imagine. I didn't eat for days. Literally. I'm honest. I'm so tired and I don't know what to do. I, I'm I'm just praying right now to die. Everything is bad here. There's there's nothing to be alive. No food, nothing. Pray just to end this fuck war. I don't know. Inshallah, it's gonna be over soon. Inshallah.